Hi guys, welcome back. I am Priyanka. So in today's video, I will show you how to do makeup on oily skin, and this makeup is going to be long lasting, oil free, and you won't get acne and pimple post applying the makeup. So this is going to be really nice for oily skin type people, and I'm mainly showing you how to do makeup base. So let's get started guys. So first thing, I'm taking this empty container. This is just a spray bottle. I'm using this MAC Fix Plus container, and I took 2 green tea, and it's a drinking water, almost 100 ml of water, and it's a cold water guys. So I soaked green tea for 30 minutes and secure the green tea water in a empty container. You can use any spray container that you have, or you can use any old product container, like I'm using this MAC Fix Plus setting spray. So you can see this is the green tea mist that I have prepared, and with this green tea water I will firstly clean my face, because cleaning your face is very important, especially if you have oily skin. And because this green tea water will remove all the remaining dirt, pollution and oil from your face, because this oil and dirt get absorbed and blended with the makeup and clogs your skin pores, which later on turns into pimple and breakout. And you guys always says that after applying makeup you get pimples. So yes, this is very important step. You need to follow this. Green tea is very organic, and I'm just cleaning my face here. As you can see, I just spray a little bit, and it kinds of hydrate my face and cleanse my face deeply and removes all the dirt and pollution. And you can see the greasy thing and oily thing on my cotton pad here. So yes guys, this is very important step, and it's very organic and natural, so it does not have any side effect. And yeah, there you go. And let's move on to the next step. So next I will take the green tea and apply it on my face and let it rest for 2 minutes and soak in into my skin, just like toner. And here I am mixing my moisturizer with green tea, and this will remove all the stickiness from my moisturizer, and this green tea water will add that extra hydration that is needed. And you can see the moisturizer is blending like a dream and spreading nicely all over my face and creating a very nice thin hydrated moistured layer all over my face, which is really good for the oily skin type people and combination skin. This creates like a face mask on my face and protects my face for the entire day, keeps my face hydrated, moistured, and oil free. Next I will apply the primer, and I will take a very less quantity of primer, and I will apply it only to the areas where I tends to get oil. My T's area, my center part of the face, I will apply the primer only there. I will not apply the primer all over my face, because I really don't want my face to look too matte or too dried out. So yes, just apply it only to the areas where you get sweat, oil, and primer will blur the skin pores. It will create a smooth base for your makeup, and it's really important. It helps your makeup not to oxidize, because it controls the excess of oil on your face for the longer time. And now again I'm going to share very nice tips with you all, which actually works for me. I like to set my primer with some compact. Here I am using my Sephora compact. You can use any compact powder. Guys, don't take any loose powder to do this step. We need only lightweight compact powder. Just set the areas where you have applied the primer. This will seal your primer and also not allow the excess of oil and the sweat to transfer into your foundation, and this will create a nice seal on these areas where you tends to get oily. So yes, applying powder on the primer is really important, and I won't recommend these kind of loose setting powder for this process. And for foundation, we have so many options for oily skin. You can go for Maybelline Fit Me foundation or Sephora matte foundations, or there are also options a foundation which gives you glowy finish. Guys, you don't need to restrict yourself all the time wearing matte foundation, because sometimes it won't look natural, sometimes it's not really comfortable to wear matte finish foundation. for the entire day, for the daily purpose. So here, if you follow all these process, I'm sure you will be able to do a glowy makeup as well on your acne prone skin or oily skin base. And in today's makeup, I will show you how to create a glowy base on oily skin. I'm not going to show you matte finish base, but yes, I really wanted to show you how to achieve a glowy base. So I'm using this Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation, and guys, you can see here I'm just blending it in a circular motion, and I'm not going here and there again and again. I'm just trying to firstly finish one section of my face and kind of blending it gently, evenly all over my skin. And you can see this foundation blends like a dream, and it's cream based foundation, but of course we have used the primer, the green tea, everything. So now your skin is almost converted into combination skin, so you don't need to worry about it. You can of course go ahead with this cream based foundations, and I'm blending it in a circular motion. As you can see, I really achieved a very nice, natural looking base which has medium coverage. You can actually see my skin through the foundation and the glow on my face. So yes guys, this is very important. Try to apply the foundation in a circular motion, and I'm sure it will work for you. And for concealers, we have so many options in cream based concealer like LA Girl Pro, MAC, Sephora, Maybelline. So you can use any of these concealers on your face, and you can cover up your acne and dark circles and pigmentation. It completely depends on the skin and the skin issues and requirements of your face and the kind of makeup actually you're doing daily makeup or you're doing some occasional makeup. So here I'm applying the LA Girl HD Pro concealer, which is my favorite, and blending it with the foundation brush. And guys, this is how you can create a very nice dewy glowy base for your oily skin. And again, here I'm using this LA Girl HD Pro concealer powder. It's a loose powder guys, so always try to use some HD powders, loose powders to set your face. It gives you a little bit matte finish and also helps to control any excess of oil and make your makeup sweat proof and long lasting. So I'm sealing my base with this LA Girl HD loose powder with a puff. I'm using a puff in a tapping motion. Next, I will contour my face with Makeup Revolution bronzer, and this is in powder form, so it's really good for oily skin. It will not make your skin dry, but again it will balance that powder and cream based things. So I really like to go with powder based contouring instead of going with the cream based contouring. So yes, this is how you can manage and balance the cream over powder based products. Next, I'm sealing my entire makeup with again the same green tea mist which we have prepared. It kinds of melt the powder into the cream and gives you very natural looking makeup base. And yeah, you can fill in your eyes and lips according to your occasion, moods. You can do your makeup the way you want. Here I am doing a very nice soft golden rose gold cut crease eyes and paired with bold red lips. This is my mood today and I'm doing this makeup. Completely up to you, like if you want to wear this makeup for occasions or daily wear, so like that you can do your eyes and lips. And that's all guys, I'm just showing you here the quick process. The detailed video is already on my IGTV, so do follow me on my Instagram and IGTV. And that's all guys for this video. I hope these tips were helpful for you and you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all soon. Till then, take care. Bye.